What's growing on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to show you where to get the most beautiful strawberry plants I have ever seen and my favorite way to plant them. The best way to plant strawberry plants, in my opinion, is to get yourself some bare root strawberries and to plant them either in late winter or early spring. But where can you go to get the best quality plants? A mistake many gardeners make is they get their bare root strawberries from big box stores in late winter, early spring. I have seen those roots. Not only are they overpriced, but they tend to be very small, and you don't know how old they are. If they have been sitting on the shelf for weeks, they could have dried up and they could be dead. They tend to have a high failure rate. Now, in fairness, I can't tell you who the best person to buy strawberry roots from is because I haven't ordered strawberry roots from everybody possible, but all of my bare root strawberries are from one single source, Hand Picked Nursery. I ordered from them years ago and the quality blew me away, and since then I have been a customer for life. I just got another bundle of bare root strawberries in the mail, and not only are they far cheaper than what you get at a big box store, just look at them. The roots are absolutely insane. Every time I have ordered from them, I have gotten this incredible quality. In fact, all of my asparagus roots are from them as well. I have never seen such beautiful roots. For your convenience, I will place direct links down to the strawberries that I've ordered over the years from this company. You can order them through their Amazon store, or you could go direct to their website, whatever you choose. They have tons of different strawberries to choose from, as well as asparagus and a whole bunch of other stuff. And as a bonus, they are a company that is local to me. They're only about 2 hours away, just south in Raleigh, North Carolina. I live in Wilmington, North Carolina. And they are veteran owned, which is another plus in my book. Now, before I plant my strawberries, I like to soak them in warm water for about 1 hour. This helps rehydrate them and you will have a much higher success rate. Just look at these babies. Is this not absolutely incredible? And they're barely more than $1 a root. This isn't a sponsored video or anything like that. I just wanted to give a local company a shout out. Now, for planting the bare root strawberries, I'm going to plant them underneath my apple trees. Strawberries make a great ground cover underneath fruit trees and other landscaping trees, so it's a great way that you can grow fruit without dedicating space in your garden. I'm going to plant them in 2 different ways. I'm going to take half of them and plant them directly as bare root underneath these apple trees. I started that process last year, and some of them are finally starting to wake up from their dormancy now that it's warming up. I'll link to a video both above and down in the video description that shows you how I did that. And I will start the other half of the roots in these 3.5-inch nursery containers, and we will find out which method is better at starting bare root strawberries, in containers and transplanting them out, or should we just put them directly in ground and skip a step? Stay tuned for that video on my main channel, The Millennial Gardener. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.